In this video, I will be showing you how to work the cat's eye lace stitch. This stitch is a decorative open lace hole crochet stitch, which uses a combination of chain stitches, single crochet stitches, and double crochet stitches. This stitch is used in our sombre bag pattern. Today, I will be using Wool and the Gang's Buddy Hemp yarn in Soleil yellow and a 4.5 crochet hook. So let's get started. This stitch is worked over a multiple of 3 stitches plus 2 stitches. Today I'm going to be working over 23 stitches. So take the end of your yarn, make a slip knot, then take your hook and place it on your hook. Now work 23 chain stitches. Now you're going to be working a setup row. So work 1 single crochet stitch into the second chain from your hook, not counting the chain on your hook. So not this one, but this one. Insert your hook, pull your yarn through and complete your single crochet stitch. Now you'll be working a repeat section. Make 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3. Then skip the next 2 chains, 1, 2. Then single crochet 1 into the next chain. So insert your hook, pull through and complete. Now repeat this to the end of the row. So make 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, skip 1, 2 chain stitches, then single crochet into that 3rd chain stitch. And complete your row by skipping those 2 stitches and then working 1 single crochet into that last stitch there. So now you've completed your setup row. To work in this stitch, there are just 2 rows to repeat. For the first row, make 4 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your turning chain, but also counts as a double crochet stitch plus 1 chain space. So now single crochet 1 stitch into the first chain space from the row below into here. So insert your hook into the chain space and single crochet 1. Then chain 1 stitch, then work 1 double crochet stitch into the next single crochet stitch from the row below, so into here. So wrap your yarn around, insert, pull through and complete your double crochet stitch. Next you'll be working a repeat section. So chain 1 stitch, then single crochet 1 stitch into the next chain space, so in here. Then chain 1 stitch and double crochet 1 stitch into the next single crochet, so in here. Now repeat this to the end of your row. So chain 1 stitch, single crochet into the next chain space, chain 1 stitch and double crochet into the next single crochet. ending that row on a double crochet into that last single crochet of your row below. And that's your first pattern row. Now for the second pattern row, chain 1 stitch. This is your turning chain, so turn your work. Then single crochet 1 stitch into this first double crochet stitch of your row below. Now chain 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Now you'll be working a repeat section. So single crochet 1 stitch into the next double crochet stitch. So skip these and work 1 single crochet stitch into this. Now chain 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. And then skip these stitches again and work 1 single crochet stitch into this double crochet stitch from the row below. Repeat this until you have 2 stitches left of your row. So 3 chain stitches and then 1 single crochet. Now you've made your 3 chain stitches. Now single crochet 1 stitch into the top of the turning chain from your previous row. So 1, 2, 3 is your third and top chain from the previous row. So work 1 single crochet into there. And that is your second pattern row. Now repeat these 2 rows to continue working in cat's eye lace stitch, and you'll end up with something that looks like this. Thanks for watching.